To generate revenue, 5 top trending topics on YouTube. To generate revenue on YouTube, it is important to create content that is relevant and engaging to viewers. One way to achieve this is by focusing on trending topics that are popular among viewers. Here are the top 5 trending topics on YouTube. Gaming. Gaming is a hugely popular topic on YouTube, with millions of viewers tuning in to watch gamers play and review new games. Popular types of gaming content include Let's Play videos, walkthroughs, and reviews of new releases. To succeed in the gaming niche, it is important to have a strong understanding of the latest games and gaming trends, as well as to build a loyal community of viewers who enjoy your content. Beauty and fashion. Beauty and fashion content is also hugely popular on YouTube, with millions of viewers tuning into watch makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and beauty product reviews. To succeed in this niche, it is important to have a strong understanding of the latest beauty and fashion trends, as well as to create high-quality, visually appealing content that is both informative and engaging. Health and fitness. With more and more people interested in living a healthy lifestyle, health and fitness content has become increasingly popular on YouTube. This includes workout videos, healthy eating tips, and wellness advice. To succeed in this niche, it is important to have a strong understanding of the latest health and fitness trends, as well as to create informative and engaging content that provides real value to viewers. Personal finance. As people become more financially savvy, personal finance content has become increasingly popular on YouTube. This includes videos on budgeting, saving, and investing, as well as reviews of financial products and services. To succeed in this niche, it is important to have a strong understanding of personal finance topics, as well as to create informative and engaging content that provides real value to viewers. Travel. With more and more people interested in exploring the world, travel content has become increasingly popular on YouTube. This includes travel vlogs, destination guides, and reviews of hotels and restaurants. To succeed in this niche, it is important to have a strong understanding of the latest travel trends and destinations, as well as to create visually appealing content that captures the beauty and excitement of travel. In summary, focusing on trending topics such as gaming, beauty and fashion, health and fitness, personal finance, and travel can be a great way to generate revenue on YouTube. Latest trends and providing informative and engaging content, you can build a successful YouTube channel and generate revenue over the long term.